Good afternoon from London. Hapon na kami lumabas dahil nagpahinga pa kami. Yan, we're just walking around the neighborhood. Oh, diba? And there's my sister. Umuulan kaya kami nakapayong, and actually the prediction was quite right. It said that it will rain around 3 to 4 p.m. So, di syempre, kung kailan kami lumabas. Yan nga. Saka umulan. Anyway, it's okay. Lakad-lakad lang tayo ngayong araw na to. We don't have a definite itinerary today. It's just walking around the neighborhood. But the target is to get groceries and magpunta sa Queen's Park. Ayan. So, this is our area. Tingnan nyo naman. Diba? See you! In the neighborhood. May Starbucks. Ooh, bookstore. Oat shaken espresso. Parang masarap yan, ah. Galing. Ang gagaling. Oo. Tsaka ano siya, yung mga small stores na kakatuwa. Ang concern lang naman natin dito is what time nagsasara mga stores. Queen's Park. Lapit lang sa bahay namin. It's nice to have green places like this, green space like this. Ano mo yun? Para makapaglakad-lakad, diba? Nature. And I think may parang birthday event banda dun. Life can be tough, but there's always hope. Campaign against living miserably. Hope is everything. Yeah. In remembrance of Mrs. Winifred Mills for all the saints. May Doberman.
O siguro ang ano niyan, FYI, may aso dito.
Oo, Doberman. Huwag kayong pumasok agad-agad. May squirrel. Pusa. Carbonara sauce. Pizza. Gusto ko kumain ng pizza. Chicken pops. Magluto na lang tayo ng fish. How much is it?
7.
Medyo mahal. Gusto mong bumili na lang ng burgers.
Ito.
Pork belly slices. 4.
Or ito. Or ito.
Parang mas malambot ba yung loin steak kaysa sa
Mas
pork
meat,
belly?
meat.
Ito na lang. Gusto mo na. Mas mura ba yan?
Pero mas
4.45. Ooh.
ito walang.
May konting fat naman.